Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how to change your country or region in Amazon account. Whether you are using web or mobile device, this process will help you out. First of all, launch open the Amazon application on your device, or you may also go to the Amazon website on a web browser. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are inside, click on the human button at the bottom of the screen. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the flag icon. Here you can go ahead and change your country or region. Tap on country/region option and select a different country you want to change to. After you do that, click on done. And that's how you can easily change your country or your region in Amazon shopping. Once updated, you can shop or access region-specific features more seamlessly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.